All right, so our friends over at Brunt Workwear, excuse my voice, it came down with kind of a cold, sent us 2 packages, and today we're going to find out exactly what they sent us. First, we're going to go ahead and start with the box. Construction pencil, a hat, sticker, and a packaging slip. Now, let's see what we got here. Nice packaging, nice packaging. Looks like clothes. A pair of pants. A pair of pants, brown pants. Another sticker. I don't know what pants these are. It says the Martin. So we'll go ahead and open these up. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Now I gotta say, I'm not really a brown pant wearer. They're very comfortable. Wow, listen to my voice. They're very comfortable, I must say. Let's see, they're flexible like they stated. They are dual stitched. It looks like pretty much every single seam is dual stitch. You can see here that they have that extra layer from basically your lower or mid thigh all the way down to, you can feel it on the inside of just in the middle of your shin. You can feel that double layer, and my Carhartt pants have that same exact thing. So you can feel that double layerness, which is huge, especially when you're working in the shop, you're working outside in your driveway. So, you're always kind of getting on your knees and stuff like that, and you don't grab your knee pad. And more than likely, most of the time we don't. When we all should, we end up, tearing our pants, ripping our pants, and these type of pants help that pant last a lot longer. Really would recommend these to anybody. Let me try their hat on for a size. That's one thing you guys know I'm very picky about, is my hats. This is more of a flat brim, did it look like? I don't know. Let's see here. The old roll trick. You gotta roll your hats, you guys. Don't bend them. You gotta roll these hats. So it's a trucker style. Let's see here. What brand? What brand are these? We don't know the brand. My hats that you guys get are J.R. Richardson hats. It fits well. Fits really well. It'll go in the hat collection, that's for sure. Definitely fits well. Different hat. I've never had kind of like a camo hat. It's also got kind of a weird split to it here. So definitely a different hat. Good hat for the collection, that's for sure. I appreciate it a lot. I really do. I can't imagine how this is going to go on toolbox right away. I can't thank everyone enough for all the support I get when I'm doing stuff like this, when I'm doing the channel, when I'm making content for you guys. This is just something that kind of comes with it. It's something that they sent out to me. I knew they were going to send the pants out to me. You guys can't. I'm not going to hide that from you guys. They sent me a message. They asked me if I would review these pants for them. And I will 100% be honest with you guys. They sent me out a set of boots. It was about last year, I think, or it was months ago. Maybe it was this year, a couple, like in May or something like that, or April. And anyways, but they sent me out a pair of boots, and I did not like them. Gotta be honest. I forget which ones they were. They were the cowboy style. And the problem I had with the cowboy style is I wear cowboy boots right now. And the problem I had with the cowboy style is the tread on it was more of like a shop tread. It was more of like a cement all the time. It wasn't a, hey, you're out in the fields, or hey, you're outside, you're digging ditches, you're digging trenches. And then I also come into the shop and, work on trucks and stuff like that. So I do a lot of different things, and those boots didn't necessarily fit my specific situation as to why I didn't like them. They were comfortable though, I will tell you that. They were very, very comfortable. I would suggest them to people that don't need that, all-terrain style boot. Cowboy boot, because I wear cowboy boots. I would suggest them to anybody, realistically, but the problem is you gotta know what kind of boot you're buying. It's a big important thing. Pants are another one. I gotta say, these are quite comfortable. There's some blue trading pants that I absolutely can't stand. There's a lot of Carhartt pants that I absolutely cannot stand. I have a specific pair of pants that I wear. I probably have 6 pairs of them. So if you watch my videos, you see I'm wearing the same damn pant. It's because I have like 6 pairs of those pants. Some jeans as well, and some Duluth ones, but these, I'm gonna test these out for about a week, you guys. A week, 2 weeks, and I'm gonna get back to you in one of the videos. I'm not gonna do a whole new unboxing video on something like this or review video, because it'll be real quick, just like this one is pretty quick here as well. But I will test them out. I'll put them through the trenches, see how they do. I'll wear them in the cold weather, see how warm they are. They're not meant for cold weather. I can feel that. They're definitely comfortable. You know, I gotta say, they are comfortable. I am open-minded to that point. They are comfortable. They feel good, and I'm pretty excited. So again, thank you so much to Brunt Workwear for sending these out to me, for the hat, for the stickers, for the construction pencil. Use these all the time. If you don't have construction pencils in your arsenal, make sure you always have one. Grab one at Home Depot or whatever. Get one from their website if you're shopping on their website. I do have a discount code through them. They asked me if I wanted to set one up. I do not benefit from it at all. So don't think I'm trying to affiliate something here where I'm going to make money. I don't benefit from it at all. It is literally just a 10% off the discount code for you guys. So if you're looking for boots, if you're looking for a pair of pants, if you're looking to try these out, make sure you use that discount code so you get 10% off. Let me find it here for you guys. All right, so it's gonna go DIY Diesel 10. I will link it below for you guys, but you can just wow, my voice is struggling with this cold. I will link it below for you guys. Otherwise, just using the coupon code DIY Diesel 10. Let's see here. I can't zoom in on it for you guys, but I'll link it below for you for the link that can directly use that one. Again, like I said, just use DIY Diesel, all capital letters, no space, and 10 at the end of that. And that'll get you 10% off your first order. So all good things to come from that. It works for everybody. So if you've ordered from them before, it will work for you again. I don't know. I'm pretty sure they'll track you though, so you're not going to be able to like put in an order and then put in another order. You can't like keep stacking it. But if you're looking for a Christmas gift for somebody, if you know somebody, whoo, that damn voice. Quiet, quiet, quiet. I knocked my German Shepherds barking. But anyways, if you have a Christmas gift for somebody you got coming up, if you have Christmas ideas for you, your spouse, and they want boots, they want pants, stuff like that, definitely use that 10% off code. We all like coupon codes all year long, not just around the holidays, but all year long. So I definitely use it. I like these pants, I'm not gonna lie. I would probably get them in charcoal if I was to say it. So here's my pants that I wear for Carhartt. They're kind of like that charcoal. That's probably what I would wear. I don't really typically rock brown. I'm not a brown guy, but you know, it's all personal preference. I guess I should have specified that when they were talking to me. But again, these are great. They feel great. The pockets are nice. Their pockets are deep enough. They fit my phone good, but my phone doesn't also drop really far into my pocket here. It just falls in there really nice, easy to grab. So they're nice pockets. They got that little change pocket as well with the Brunt Workwear logo on it. They got the Brunt Workwear logo on your ass too, just like every company typically does. So zipper pocket's kind of nice. I can't wear these pants when I'm working in the electrical field because of that zipper. So, but wait, let me see. Is it a plastic zipper? No. When I'm working, you know, for shock hazards and stuff like that, but. I gotta say, you guys, I'm pretty impressed with them. I've worn pants before that it's like, get it out of here. My wife has bought me countless pants. My mom has bought me pants, and they get upset when I don't wear them. And it's very, you guys know, for the ones that are watching this, you guys know how specific pants are and how much they mean to us, right? So, you know, when you're wearing pants, and there's really main things that in a man's life, that matter. It's his boots and his pants, right? And his underwear. Don't hesitate the underwear. Shirts, we can kind of suck it up. We can get through it, you know. I care about what shirts I wear. That's why I like my DIY Diesel ones. I did get sweatshirts in, so these are gonna be soon, limited time. I only have certain many of them, but anyways, like I said, so I'm rambling on. I gotta get this video over with. Thank you so much to Brunt Workwear for sending me out a pair of their pants to test them out. I'll get back to you guys in about 2 weeks. We'll put 2-week mark right before Christmas. 2-week mark, I'll get back to you guys on how I really truly feel about these. My initial thought is they're quite comfortable. I do see maybe some possibilities of issues with them, but I guess we'll find out in the future if I do have those issues, and I'll bring it up in that video. It'll just be kind of like a tag on to a video on the video. But again, thank you so much for everybody watching this. Please go ahead and follow the podcast on Apple Music, Buzzsprout, Spotify. Please follow my Instagram, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much to Brunt Workwear. Thank you so much to everybody watching, and have a good night. All right, so a water for my troubles here. Hold on. Oh, that's a lot better. So I got one more thing. I apologize for my voice, but then I just talked to my wife. I had her take a look at the pants. She likes them. She likes the brown. So there's that. And she also said that they don't look too big. They don't look too baggy. They fit really nicely around my legs. So I'm not gonna show you guys my, maybe I can do a twirl for you. Hold on. Let's do a little. Oh yeah, we're gonna get up close and personal, you guys. Oh yeah. There you go. There you go. Ooh, 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 ooh. They don't look too baggy. They don't look too big. They fit well. I'd suggest them. Let's see my review in about 2 weeks. Have a good night.